Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, please don't forget to subscribe, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I recently became a plant mom and I really wanted to show you guys my plants, and I also wanted to give you guys steps on becoming a plant parent. So basically, a plant parent is someone who takes care of household plants, just to take care of like a pet or a child. And the three plants that I got: aloe vera, this bunny ear or angel wing cactus, and then this last succulent. I guess the name is Eucheria lilacina. I really hope that I'm pronouncing this well. Eucheria lilacina. I really hope I'm pronouncing this thing well, but that's the name. I believe that's the name. So if you want to become a plant parent or a plant mom, the first thing you should consider, I believe you should consider low maintenance plants, or like plants that don't really need so much care since you're just starting up. So I would give this aloe vera as an example. You don't really need to always take care of them. They could actually do without water for a long time. And a fun fact, aloe vera has actually contained up to 99% of water. Yes, and they blossom if they are in the right condition. Which brings me to my second point. You need to learn to water them and also put them in places that have sunlight, because they need water and sunlight to grow and to do well. Like for example now, the bunny ear cactus, which is this one, and the succulents, also the aloe vera. Yeah, this is also a succulent, but I don't really know how to pronounce this one, so I would just call this a succulent. So they only need like minimal amounts of water, and they also need good sunlight. So if for instance I now go and give them so much water, they might die from that. So if you want to become a plant parent, I believe you should try and stick to the instructions and also research on them. Try and know what they need, like their requirements to do well. Another point is also to learn to prune them or remove the dead leaves. I know at some point it can actually get attached to the plants, like honestly you really can, but I think one thing you need to learn is when they're like dead leaves or there's some parts I need to prune off, you should do that to help the plant. Like for instance now, this aloe vera had some dry leaves and I had to cut it off, and it was really sad, but then I had to just, and I believe it even looks better now. So yes, I should also learn to take good care of them. Like the bunny ear cactus is so fragile, any little thing it just breaks, and it's so, I don't know, I feel it's so cute. What do you think? Another point is to learn to balance between attention and care. Like sometimes you may decide to over care for them by over watering them or putting them under sunlight that they don't really need and which may harm them. Just for instance, these plants are under the succulents family, and if I decide now to say I want to give them more water than is required, or put them under harsh sunlight thinking I'm doing them good, that would end up killing them or harming them. So I just think like, let's just try and just follow the instructions to help them grow well or to like thrive. So like let's just follow everything. Like for instance now, this particular plant, they just need small water. So if we put them into a place where, or if we give them a lot of water, we may end up harming them. And another point is that these succulents, from my research, I heard it's actually better to water them from below, not from on top. Meaning, like for instance, you get a bowl of water and the under is already like perforated, so you just put the plant into the water, so it waters from under. I don't know if like it makes sense or if I'm explaining right, but it gets water from under instead of pouring it through here. And another point for this is that apparently it's not really good to sprinkle water on the leaves of the succulent, so let's just keep that in mind. Another point is to learn to research. From researching, you can learn so much about the plants that maybe you didn't even know that you needed to learn. And you can also learn some fun facts that you don't know about the plants. Like for instance now, this bunny ear cactus, it doesn't have spines. These things on the body, they are called prickles, like whitish prickles, and they are very fragile. Like even from seeing it, I believe you should know they are fragile. Like if you just touch it small, it's just going to break. So that was something that I learned from like researching. And also aloe vera has medicinal and cosmetic use, and it also is low maintenance. It has 99% of water, and it also blossoms to different colors. Also, this last one, it is I feel this one is really cute. What do you think? But then also it's very low maintenance. So these are like basic things that I could just learn from researches, which is a very important point that I feel is being neglected. So I really just hope you do not make that mistake. Please try and check on it. Another thing is you could talk to your plants, and you could also name them. I don't know, it sounds funny, but you could actually talk to your plants and you could also name them. Like this one, her name is Lady N. It's named after my mom because I actually inherited these plants from my mom. So I named this one Lady N after my mom. And then these two, I'm still trying to decide their names, but I would name them. Some benefits on becoming a plant parent or a plant mom, I believe for me, it gave me a sense of responsibility, just having to take care of them, and also it teaches you patience, like, because they don't really grow so fast, so it's something like you have to take care of, you know, little by little. So it teaches patience. And also from a research done by NASA, it was shown that they help in purifying the air and also, you know, detoxifying the environment. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please let me know in the comment section which is your favorite plant. And also, if you ever consider to become a plant parent or a plant mom, please let me know. Please don't forget to subscribe and share this video. See you in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye. Another point to be another point to be learned. And the 3 plants that I got was this aloe vera, and check on it.
You said first of all, but you said maintenance. You not said research. There's nothing like research. It's research.
Jagla, do you want to have an English class with me? Or? Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please let me know in the comment section. Pause. I said session. I really hope I'm pronouncing this thing well. I believe some benefits on becoming a plant parent or a plant mom is it gives you some sense of responsibility, or it gives you a sense